Are you looking for a 5-bedroom, 6.5 bath, a loft, and a flex room? Welcome to the Celestia here at Avenir. This is a brand new floor plan that you don't want to miss. Come, I'll show you around. Come see the Celestia here at Avenir. You don't want to miss this.